Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Man Fights Police After Refusing to Pay Restaurant Bill by Body Cam Network USA.
What's going on today, sir? How are you doing? You gonna pay for your food? Okay. You not want to talk?
Say you gonna pay for your food. No, he not finna pay for that shit. No, he not finna pay for it.
Hello. He just said he's gonna pay, so I don't know what the issue is. What happened?
The issue is he has no money to pay.
Okay.
He said that he has sent, but
In my car.
In your car? Do you have it now? Okay. Do you want to see if he is willing to pay, or
he's leaving. He's not gonna come through.
are you leaving or are you paying?
I'm going to my car to pay.
Okay, what's in your car? Your wallet?
My charger for my phone.
Your charger for your phone. Okay. Your phone's on.
No say. No percentage.
What language do you speak? I don't know what that meant. Bro, what language do you speak?
No say.
Are you with him?
Yeah, I came here and I just was under the impression he was paying, and then
Oh my God, this gotta be a horrible date from hell.
What, are you two like on a date or something?
no, I'm just his friend.
She said, I am not claiming that
Sir,
shit.
listen,
I turn my phone on, I pay. Now I go to my car to charge my phone.
It's not. Hey, look, your phone's on, so you either need to pay or.
I just did.
He just said. He just said it didn't go through. He's staying right there. You can talk to him from right here.
His mom's coming, she's paying.
Well, that's
His mama coming. Oh, hell no.
the thing. So, how much is the bill? Okay.
No sir. No.
What would you guys like done?
All I had was an appetizer.
You
All I
want
had was an
to
appetizer.
trespass?
It says free appetizer on the door.
I can follow the
Okay, that's it. Nothing.
Why do people go to places and knowing they ain't got no damn money? I don't be understanding that.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you, sir?
No sir.
No ID, no nothing.
No nothing.
Cool. What's your first name?
No sir.
Okay, listen. I'll make this very simple. Okay. You're gonna give me your ID and name. Give me your name and stuff. Do you want to go? You want to go jail?
Okay?
Do you want to go to jail? Arrested? Then I need your name.
B.
Yeah, something ain't right with him. You can might as well just go ahead and exert that force, because you can see in his eyes something off.
D. Spell your first name for me, or give me your ID.
D.
It's Daniel.
What?
Daniel.
Daniel. You're gonna tell me your name, or I will take you to jail. It's very simple. Huh?
Danielle.
Then spell it.
D-A-N-I-E-L.
D-A-L.
Pendejo. I want to talk again.
I don't understand how people act like this, bro.
Talk to him. Good.
Sí, pendejo. How you doing today, Officer Olson? Can I smoke my cigarettes? They said I couldn't smoke them in here. I want to smoke my cigarette outside. That's why they called the police. I was going to smoke it in here. No, sir.
If he doesn't cooperate, do you want to escalate this any further? Do you want him arrested?
Here.
See.
All right. This is your final chance. You're gonna give me your exact name, or I'm going to place you under arrest.
See.
So what is your name?
Danielle.
Spell it.
D-A-N-I-E-L with pendejo.
Oh, no, you thought it was funny. Now you about to see the whole cause and effect of this shit.
Daniel, what is your middle initial?
Pendejo.
Your middle initial is Pendijo. Got it.
With a
What is your
P.
last? What is your?
Pendejo.
What is your last name?
It's pendejo, stupid.
Pendejo.
Pendijo.
Danielle, pendejo, pendejo.
Cool.
Sí. And uno, dos, tres, no good.
What is your birthday?
Muy bien. Pendejo.
What is your birthday?
Pendejo.
All right, that's cool.
You guys want to press charges?
Yep.
Sir, stand up, put your hands behind your back. If you resist, you're going to get
You're gonna
tased, you're
give
going to
it-
get pepper sprayed. It's going to hurt a
Very
lot.
simple.
You are
Put
going
your
to
hands
get hurt
behind
if
your
you don't
back.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, you will not touch my phone.
Headquarters, can we get one more fight?
Oh, he can talk proper English when they about to take his phone.
You cannot put your hands on my
Oh. He's fighting with him? Oh my God. See, was this really worth it?
I got legs. Take order, step it up. Give me your fucking hands. It's a 44, we're fighting one. Give me your arm.
You got pressure on his arm?
Okay, I'm gonna pepper spray the floor. Throw my pepper spray. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back.
Where's the other officers at so we can watch this? We don't want to see this.
Inside the building.
Oh yeah, he pepper sprayed the shit out of him.
Pepper spray deployed. We're getting.
Hey, that pepper spray gonna get you right every time. What the fuck is that?
Stop kicking me. Stop kicking me. Fucking wrist retreat. Take your time. Take your time. We got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. We got friends here. There we go. All right. All right, we got him secured.
All of this over a $50 restaurant tab. It's crazy.
Yeah. We need a different supervisor for use of force. Tim's involved.
That's crazy.
Fucking ridiculous. Oh, he had an ID. What do you know?
Look at that. What a kawiki dink.
Hey, I'm gonna roll him this way to check his pocket, please. Watch out.
Please.
Kick and all this fun stuff. There he goes. He just kicked me right now.
Another one.
Right there. We're good right there. Bro, he's got. Oh, that's right. Earbuds. We probably will eventually.
Bro, you really doing all of this over $50, bro? You ain't got $50?
I got one of my
If you ain't got it, why go out?
All right, we're gonna roll him the other way now. Yeah, we will.
That's crazy.
My mom's here to pay. Yep, you're under arrest now. We're past that, buddy. You just committed 2 felonies and a couple misdemeanors. Enjoy that ride to jail, buddy. Yeah, you didn't do anything about it.
Hey, uncuff me. Uncuff me. Let me talk to him.
Nope, you're done.
Let me talk to a supervisor.
Yep, that's another
Talk to
charge.
a supervisor.
I am the supervisor, the one you tried to choke.
Oh yeah. Yo, ass cook. You tried to choke a supervisor? Shh.
Okay.
Good luck with that.
We got a hobble. We need to do a hobble on him. He's probably gonna go.
He about to get hog-tied.
He got opened? Yeah, a bunch. You hit him? A bunch of times.
Yeah, it's okay.
You do what you gotta do.
He said he hit him a bunch of times. Did y'all not see his face when he turned over? He asked for that ass whooping.
Try at least 4. 4 people with gloves. I've already got some on.
We got you. Put pressure. I got it. Someone get these legs because he's going to start kicking. Yeah, these legs. Yeah, they got to come up with. You got the legs? Okay, we got to cut. Bring them up. Ready? 1, 2. We got to move them up. We got it up.
That's crazy. To get hog-tied? It's crazy. And he's still acting crazy.
Right now.
Stop resisting, guys. You want to catch more charges, that's fine with me, but you better stop.
Yes, sir.
Stop kicking.
Can you go ahead and get that in there? My hand, my hand, my hand. My knee! Ah! Chill. My knee! Your actions about
Hey, if we need to carry his ass with the hobble, then carry it with the hobble. All right?
He need a straight jacket.
There's a camera on the table.
Why is this ever a need to be a thing? Like, why you just can't act right?
Knock it off. Knock it off. Is that your camera? Probably. Baylor's on it.
Caesar! Caesar! Caesar!
Is that your camera? Baylor was holding it.
Huh? No.
If she's still his friend after this, she a good friend.
Caesar! There we go. All right, good job. Yep, I'm good.
All right, want to get
Everybody
out?
else good? We got a car to put him in? Actually, is FD
I
here?
need FD.
Let's get FD to look at him first, if FD's here. Nope. I say we leave him right here. Let's leave him here.
That's fine.
Caesar! We're gonna roll him on his side though, so he can't complain about being on his chest. Hey, if you start bucking or kicking or punching, you're going right back on your stomach. You got me?
Towards me.
Shit, he tired. He wore out.
Yep.
He was then transported to the hospital to be medically cleared. While being loaded onto the stretcher for the ambulance, the police report states that he spat in the face of another officer. The report also states that he assaulted the restaurant staff while exiting the building before officers arrived. He was then transported to the Orange County Jail, where he was booked and charged with petty theft, battery by strangulation for momentarily choking the officer, 2 counts of battery on law enforcement officer, and resist officer with violence. He served 154 days in jail and was put on probation for 2 years. The max sentence
Over $50.
for all charges together is 15 years. If you enjoy the content we produce, please don't forget to like.
That was so dumb. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out.